comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his...
Annyeonghaseyo 여러분, Eris Maceda. Happy Vlogmas Day to you guys. As you all know, you guys, I upload every other day for Vlogmas kasi gusto ko man gawing everyday, hindi ko talaga kaya you guys kasi I go to school. And of course, 7 videos a week is really tough for me. I salute sa lahat ng YouTubers na ginagawa yun. Like, you guys are the best. But personally, I can't do that. So, I compromised every other day tayo. So, this is my day 2 of Vlogmas. So, ayan, I did this very, very neutral look with a dark lip. That is perfect for occasions na gusto mo mag-makeup but not too much. This is the perfect amount of makeup para sa akin lang naman. But if you guys want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's start. Sa channel ko, you guys, you know that I preach on doing your skincare first before doing your makeup. It's either kahit pagkatapos na maligo or hours after mo maligo, use skincare after. So I'm gonna do my basic skincare. So ito, Aqua Pure Gel Toner. This is just a toner, you guys, para lang ma-prep yung skin mo for skincare. What I do is pinapress ko lang siya sa skin. And naka-jacket ako because ang lamig, you guys. Sana safe din kayo, guys, kasi Manila daw ata, Metro Manila yung tatamaan ng bagyo. But yeah, sana safe kayo, guys. After matuyo nung toner, I'm going to use a moisturizer. So ito yung favorite ko moisturizer, Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. Ang ginagamit kong ganito before makeup is this one, but on a daily basis, I use the pink one, which is yung glow version. Naubusan lang ako ng glow, pero kung yung meron ako ng glow, yun yung gagamitin ko. So I'm gonna use that now. And so pala, guys, if you're going to use moisturizer before makeup, always make sure na yung moisturizer nyo is on the lighter side. Kasi if masyadong makapal yung moisturizer, masyadong thick yung consistency ng moisturizer, it might affect on how the base looks like. So yeah, here we go. So we're done with the skincare. Let's start with the makeup na. For today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, yung nakasachet lang. Sabi ko sa inyo, guys, favorite ko talaga itong nakasachet na version kasi mas handy siyang dalhin. And since iba yung background natin, diba, halatang umalis ako ng bahay. And I'm going to use a brush for it. Konti lang ang gagamitin ko for this makeup look kasi day naman siya, hindi naman siya night. And hindi na ako nag-primer because ginamit ko na yung moisturizer as my primer. Pero sa foundation na to, if you're on the bit of the oily side, I suggest that you use the mattifying primer kasi medyo medyo oily siya. And naka-lip balm pala ako as a preparation for liquid lipstick after. And I'm just going to blend it sa hairline. So, tapos yung matitira, ilalagay ko lang sa neck and then blend it out. Hindi ako nagko-concealer on a daily basis, you guys. But if you want to put on concealer, that's totally fine. Para sa akin kasi, concealer is a way of brightening my face. As you can see, hindi naman masyadong dark yung under eyes ko. But yeah, I use concealer to brighten my face but not necessarily to conceal. So hindi ako nagko-conceal on an everyday basis. So to set everything in, I'm going to use the Maybelline Clearsmooth All-in-One Powder Foundation. But gagamitin ko siya as setting powder lang for today. Press it on sa under eye para hindi mag-crease and then blending it out. So next is we're going, oh shucks, I did it. Mag-cream blush sana ako, but since yung cream blush natin is okay lang naman on top of powder, ito yung, wait lang. Yung cream, sinashake ko lang kasi oil-based to, so naghahalo. Kailangan ko pa haluin. So, gagamitin ko yung Colorette na Lip and Chic tint. I don't use it for the cheeks. I just use it for the... I don't use it for the lips. I just use it for the cheeks. And perfect tong cream blush para sa akin. So, ayan. And what I suggest you guys, huwag kayong ngingiti pag naglagay ng blush. Bakit? If nandito yung blush nyo, and nawala yung ngiti nyo, babagsak. That is one tip na kuha ko from Scott Barnes. And yun lang yun guys. So, hindi na ako ngumingiti pag nagbablush kasi bumabagsak yung kulay. And dapat lifted yung kulay niya sa cheeks. So, what I do is dito. It's the smallest amount you need for this blush, you guys. The smallest amount. So, i-blend ko siya. Hala. Yeah, there we go. Other side as well. Don't worry kung hindi pa ganun ka-pigmented yung blush kasi super konti lang nung ginamit ko because lalagyan natin siya ng powder blush on top para mas magtagal yung blush niya. May cream base kang powder blush. So, I'm going to use this blush dito sa palette na Play to Slay palette by Careline. I have a review on this palette, you guys. If you want to check it out, it will be in the description box. So, ito, I'm going to use this shade on the same brush. Yung darker shade, dalawang tap lang. Tap of the excess and then blush ulit. Super konti lang you guys kasi it's pigmented and meron na tayong base ng blush. So next is I'm going to do my eyes. So zoom ko kayo konti papasok para makita niyo na yung eye makeup look. Let's start with our eye makeup first. So this, I'm going to use the Play to Slay palette and I'm going to use this shade in a fluffy brush. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease. Of course, top of the excess. And don't forget to slowly build up the color. Huwag niyong biglain yung kulay kasi shadow yung gagawin natin. Hindi naman parang, girl, grabe naman. Kung biglaan, mas maganda yung slowly building it up. Mas pinafocus ko siya sa outer area instead of the inner area ng mata. Okay. So after that color, I'm going to take a deeper brown. Hindi siya, diba ito yung una natin ginamit? Ang one color deeper. And I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush as well. And put it on the outer V, blending it in. Outer, diba? Blending. What I use is circular motion dito muna, tapos saka ko wind wiper motion papasok. Circular, then wind wiper. Then repeat that step hanggang makuha niyo yung intensity na gusto niyo. Since I have hooded eyes, pag nakaganyan lang siya you guys. So what I tend to do is go higher than my crease. Kasi para mas makita yung kulay. Bale, nakaganto na yung brush ko instead of dead point. Circular and wiper. So now, nakuha ko yung intensity na gusto ko. I'm going to go to a shade one more deeper, which is this color. And I'm going to take it in a pencil brush. And I'm going to focus it on the lash line. Since it is a pencil brush, mas mapofocus siya or mas mapupunta yung kulay sa ano na yun dito. Dito lang. Medyo dark. Ay, no, let's use a angled brush for this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. And yun yung gagamitin ko instead of the pencil brush. Hindi niya nakukuha yung intensity na gusto ko. So, let's go a shade deeper. The deepest brown. Hindi palette. Top of the excess. Yun, nakuha niya. There we go. So, lastly, I'm going to put a shimmer dito sa inner corner. I'm going to take this shimmer. medyo, nahaluan na siya ng brown. But yeah, just going to use my fingertips and hindi ko siya i-concentrate masyado. Like, isi-spread out ko siya. Dito. See? Hindi siya concentrated shimmer. Oops, nag-concentrate konti. Let's use it. And there we go. Just to brighten up the inner corner. Parang it's just a dust of shimmer on top. So nga now, gagamitin ko tong cream shade for my color for this area sa taas. I'm going to use this brush now para sa aking brow bone area. Para di naman shimmer yung nandyan. And then, ang gagamitin kong sa inner corner is the highlight. And gagamitin ko lang yung kamay ko. So, I'm gonna put on mascara muna, tapos babalik ako sa inyo. So, for the lower lash line, we're going to go back dun sa shade na pangalawa natin nilagay, which is this shade. On a pencil brush, i-smudge ko lang siya sa ilalim. And put on your mascara for the lower lashes. Usually, naglo-load up ako pagka ganito yung look. Naglo-load up ako sa lower lashes. Now, natapos na yung eyes natin. Let's zoom back out. Yan. Yun. So, let's zoom back out and that is our eyes. Now, balik tayo sa face, which ang kulang na lang is highlight. So, I'm going to use the highlight sa palette and nakalimutan ko yung highlighting brush. So, I'm going to use ito. Alam niyo yung ginamit powder brush, diba angled siya? I'm going to use the edge of it. Oh, that's a lot. And dito lang sa high corners. High points of her face. See, it's, oh gosh. It's a good substitute for a highlighting brush. So now that we are nice and glowy, let's finish off with our lips. I have two options for you guys. It's either use a dark lip, which is, since medyo light lang yung eye makeup natin, you can use a dark lip, or you can use a nude lip, depending sa occasion na pwede nyo gusto nyo puntahan, but two of these are perfect. Oh, shucks. So, etong una, this is the Nichido, I don't know, Super Stay. Ito lang na may liquid lipstick line nila. So, this is the Nichido in the shade Chic Cafe, or Careline in the shade Tutu. Pero ang gagamitin ko for today is Tutu, since I really like a dark lip with a really neutral eye look. This is the final look, you guys. It is an everyday glam. Para sa akin, you guys, this is an everyday glam. Glam siya in a way na you can use it for parties, na pag umaga, but it's still appropriate. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Happy Vlogmas, you guys! I'm doing Vlogmas for the first time sa channel ko. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!